According to eatthis.com, on any given day, 34% of children between ages 2 and 19 consume fast food. It has become very normal in our society to consume fast food on a regular basis. You may be putting your body at risk for several problems with this kind of eating. To understand why too much consumption of fast food is bad for you, we will first bite into what this unhealthy eating does to your digestive and cardiovascular systems, respiratory and central nervous systems, and lastly, your skin and bones. Your digestive and cardiovascular systems are affected when too much fast food is eaten. According to the American Heart Association, Americans take in twice as much sugar as recommended for optimal health. Calories add up to extra weight, leading to heart disease. Trans fats have no nutritional value and raise LDL cholesterol levels. That's the bad kind. Trans fats increase risk of getting type 2 diabetes. Sodium can also be bad for you. Too much sodium can cause you to feel bloated and puffy. This contributes to high blood pressure and enlarged heart muscle. You also have a higher risk of getting kidney stones, kidney disease, and stomach cancer. Your respiratory and central nervous systems are also affected when you eat too much fast food. When you eat a lot of fast food, obesity becomes a problem. Your body is temporarily full with empty foods that don't provide nourishment, so even though you may have eaten a lot of calories, you won't be satisfied for long, says Amy Shapiro, founder of Real Nutrition New York City. Obesity may cause episodes of shortness of breath or wheezing with little exertion. Obesity also can play a role in the development of sleep apnea, a condition in which sleep is continually disrupted by shallow breathing and asthma. A recent study published in the journal Thorax suggests that children who eat fast food at least 3 times a week are at an increased risk of asthma and rhinitis. Fast food can also cause problems mentally. A study published in the journal Public Health Nutrition showed that eating commercial baked goods and fast food may be linked to depression. A junk food diet could also affect your brain's synapses and the molecules related to memory and learning. A study on rats was done. Rats fed a steady diet with over half the calories from fat for just a few days had trouble competing a maze that they were able to do in 2009. Your skin and bones are also affected in a negative way when you consume too much fast food. According to Healthline.com, carbs are to blame for acne rather than chocolate and greasy foods. Studies show that children with a diet high in fast food had a higher risk of eczema or irritated patches of skin. When you eat lots of food that are high in carbs, bacteria that's left in your mouth produces acids, which can then destroy tooth enamel. Too much sodium may increase your risk of developing osteoporosis, which is thin, fragile bones. So in conclusion, by biting into how fast food affects your digestive and cardiovascular systems, your respiratory and central nervous systems, and your skin and bones, you can make better decisions about what you put in your body. Fast food affects your body in many ways, and too much of it could even kill you. Hopefully, next time you want to stop at McDonald's or some other fast food chain, you'll think about what you're doing to your body. Just because it's cheap and fast doesn't mean it's a good idea.